want to go over a couple things. There's some interesting things with the GODSPEED components. Some of the hardware didn't even fit. The adjusters for the dampening on the suspension they did not fit. I had to just use an Allen wrench. The nice fancy little knobs didn't reach. Those collars were upside down. So those are a bunch of things that you're going to want to catch when you're doing an aftermarket install like that. It will save you a bunch of time. I would have had to pull all the suspension apart at one point if I would have put it all together with those collars upside down. But overall, pretty decent for the price. Just gotta know what's working and what's not working. So, last of the suspension to be removed. Then we can go focus on the new stuff. Just add it to the box. So here's some information. I didn't see any wrenches. Want those for hobby off-road show purposes only. Well, just like the rear control arms, we're gonna add grease to all of the threads. So I've spun this out already, this one as well. There is this upper one. So what I like to do is get all the way under where the perch rests. Just a little bit more and you're there. Once you got one, spin it up. So in the middle of what I was just showing you, I noticed that the taper does not match on the pre-assembled way they shipped it. So I've already gone and spun them all off and flipped them up the correct way to where we have the taper matching inside the lower. So pretty much have everything greased and pre-adjusted here. Just have this one to finish up and then gonna go throw them on the car. Get the camber the correct way, so it's going in and out, not forward back. That would be caster. I've seen it mixed up a couple times, but if you want caster, you can turn it around. Cam bolt on top right here. It's gonna be the best position for it. And the regular bolt on bottom. Washer on top. Some things might need a little bit of grease. So I'm gonna tighten this up with the gun, and I'm gonna give you the same action of the rear, but maybe might be able to come up with a trick to install this by myself. So have the hardware to spin up on the top, but we got to get in the back of the car, so I'm going to set the strut in there. Hopefully you can see down here, set this bolt. That is interesting. Oh, there we go, it's holding it. Okay, once you have the spun up on the top, you can force the knuckle into place. There we go. Okay, right there. Get that top bolt going too. There we go. This seems promising. Right on the back. Tap in the bottom. We're good to go. Again, fine tune the height and move on to the alignment after I get the other two on. But I'm not gonna show it to you twice. See you at the alignment pad. So I'm in the middle of finishing up the alignment. Didn't really have the time to walk you through this one, but we've got camber and toe taken care of on this side. He works construction, don't mind the mess. We got camber and toe on this side done up, and it's standing up a little more than straight up. We're a little on the positive. He puts weight in it back and forth, but essentially this is done. We've got the new components right there, looking pretty good, nice and red. Same with the back, a little higher, and everything back here. Just need to ready to wrap her up, test drive. All right, I have this thing on the ground, done. Oldie but goodie. Let's go take it around the block. Oh, she feels good. Just wanted to take the time to say thank you for watching my videos. And if you enjoy the stuff I do, working on things, driving cars, just go ahead and subscribe. You'll see a lot more of it. Any questions you have, just go ahead and create them in the comments section, and I would be more than happy to answer them for you. I also work on many different cars, so you can ask me a question about anything else.